I get this question all the time. Devin, what are the easiest YouTube automation niches to research if you're not an expert in anything? The short answer is open book niches, not opinion-heavy niches. Here's the filter I'd use. A beginner-friendly niche should pass 4 checks. 1, you can find 10 credible sources in 10 minutes. 2, the video format repeats easily. 3, facts are easy to verify without insider knowledge. And 4, the downside is low if a small detail is off. So, what fits? First, celebrity, creator, and brand rise and fall stories. Interviews, timelines, articles, and public events are already documented. Second, business breakdowns. Stuff like why a company failed, how a product took off, or what went wrong with a launch. There's usually plenty of reporting. Third, history and list style explainers. Inventions, abandoned projects, strange events, old scandals. Tons of searchable source material. Fourth, sports business and sports history, not hot takes on games. Franchise history, contracts, stadium deals, ownership stories, stuff with public reporting behind it. What should beginners avoid? Health, finance, legal, and anything heavily technical. Research takes longer, fact-checking is harder, and mistakes matter more. My validation rule is simple. List 20 video ideas. If at least 15 can be researched from public articles, interviews, databases, and archives without expert interpretation, that niche is probably viable. And if you want to turn that into a repeatable research to script workflow, that's where Satura helps. Start with research difficulty, not hype.